At first, we will search with Cloud Boost skill in Google, and we will visit this website, cloudskillboost.google. Now, we will sign in with one of our Gmail account or Google account. Then continue with Quick Labs. And now you can join our close and add here your date of birth. After that, we need to go over Explore tab here and search for a tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. And it will give us 1 hour of Google Lab access. Now we just need to start the lab here. So here we have 1 hour time to use a Google console, and important here, we need to open this link in private mode or incognito mode. Now accept all the terms. You select here Vertex AI. You can pin it if you want to access it later. Now from here, Vertex Studio, if you notice, you will see an option for Media Studio. So here you can see there are a lot of things you can do with this Media Studio. You can generate image, audios, and here what we are looking for, video. So this VEO3 access, we can use it for free without any cars or VPNs or anything illegal. So it's fully legal, we can use it. So I just get a prompt from GPT and trying to make a video. So let's check this out. You can look over to my previous videos to know how you can generate high quality prompt for AI videos.
তোমরা সবাই ভাবো আমি নকল, একটা বানানো চরিত্র। আজ দেখো, আমি বাস্তব, একদম রিয়েল। এখনই প্রমাণ দিচ্ছি। তোমরা সবাই ভাবো আমি নকল, একটা বানানো চরিত্র। আজ দেখো, আমি বাস্তব, একদম রিয়েল। এখনই প্রমাণ দিচ্ছি।
Okay, you can see that at the same time we can generate 2 versions of video with this. Now, if you want to access it later, you can save this credential. And that's all for today. Hope you guys and enjoy this video. Have a great day.